Hare Krishna. So I'm going to continue to be reading from this book, Spirit Matters, which is a series of columns that I wrote for the Hindustan Times. This was published on the 1st of November 2003, and it's called Gardeners of the Soul Can Save the Planet. So I'm reading now. In his Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami tells us that any person who is conscious of a friend's benevolent activities and never forgets that service is called grateful. He goes on to use the example of Draupadi to explain how her gratitude to Lord Keshava became lifelong after he protected her from being publicly disrobed by a foul Kaurava cabal. One could say that thankfulness is hard to find these days, and that care and sympathy are in short supply. Random acts of kindness and compassion may also be few and far between, although they do exist in everyday life amongst families, friends, and partners. A Chinese proverb says, "Little drops of water, tiny grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land." And let's not forget this one. Never doubt the ability of a small group of committed people to change the world. That's about the only way it has ever happened in the past. This is from anthropologist Margaret Mead. There's something deep within us that hopes for a better world, but it's often covered by ashes and other desires, or buried so far beneath the surface that we ignore it. But those who do hold fast with determination to visions of bright futures sow seeds of change and wait. Growth is a slow, silent affair, but we can trace out the symptoms. Thanksgiving occurs, the earth is respected, and God is not ignored. And for anyone tending the soil in their hearts, spiritual life is about remembering to say, thank you. Hare Krishna.